How to add cross dissolves in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, drag the two clips you want to transition between onto the timeline. Make sure they are placed next to each other. You can either overlap them slightly or leave a small gap depending on the transition you want. Next, head to the effects library on the top left side of your screen. Under the video transition section, search for cross dissolve. Once you find it, drag and drop the cross dissolve transition between the two clips on the timeline. You will notice a small transition bar appearing at the point where the clips meet. You can adjust the duration of the dissolve by clicking and dragging the edges of the transition bar to make it longer or shorter. If you want to tweak the transition further, simply click on the transition bar and open the inspector at the top right. Here, you can adjust the more settings. Once you are happy with how it looks, hit play to preview your cross dissolve in action. It should now smoothly fade from one clip to the another, creating a seamless visual experience. And that's it. Now you know how to add cross dissolves in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.